Welcome, my learners. We are going to practice English preposition test 6. We are having options and right answers with questions. So let's start with question 1. You can read. Choose the correct preposition. He suffers dash a heart disease. And the options are about, in, from, on. 4 options are here and the right answer is option C, from. He suffers from a heart disease. Question 2. I am good dash tennis. Of, for, in, at. And the answer is D, at. I am good at tennis. Question 3. He is interested dash story. In, on, about, of. And the answer is A. He is interested in story. Now question 4. She cares dash the environment. Through, about, of, with. And the answer is B, about. She cares about the environment. Question 5. It is kind dash you to help. Options with, on, to, of. And the right option is D, of. It is kind of you to help. Question 6. He is jealous dash her success. Options about, on, of, in. And the right option is C, of. He is jealous of her success. Question 7. I prefer tea dash coffee. Options 2, then, on, at. 4 options and the right is option A, 2. I prefer tea to coffee. Question 8. He writes dash ink. Options in, by, with, of. And the answer is A. He writes in ink. Question 9. The railway track runs dash the river. Read carefully options on, by, across, over. And the answer is option C, across. The railway track runs across the river. Question 10. You must bear dash his pranks. Options of, in, on, with. And answer is D, with. You must bear with his pranks. I hope lesson is very helpful for you. So keep watching the channel for more learning. Take care and goodbye.